Discover and learn with Miss Olivia.
Oh, hello, little learners. Miss Olivia here. I was enjoying the sunny, warm weather here at the beach, but I'm starting to get a little hot. Do you know why I might be getting hot? Because I have on scarves and hats. I think you're right. I should probably wear scarves and hats on cold days, not warm days. Okay, I'll go ahead and take them off. Can you count with me as I take off my scarves and my hats? Thank you. Let's count the scarves first. We have 1, 2, whoa, 3, 4, 5, and woo, 6. Wow, I'm starting to feel a lot better now. Okay, I'm ready to take off these hats too. Let's count the hats together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, one more. 6 hats. Whew, I had on a lot of hats and a lot of scarves. Today, we are going to learn a new number. Do you know what that number might be? I had 6 hats and, 6 scarves. You got it! Today we are going to learn about the number 6. So come along with me as we learn and explore
Hi, friends.
the number
Welcome
6.
to our adventure.
Let's go!
All about the number 6. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Let's go! This is the number 6. Can you say 6? Let's say it together. 6. Great job! Look, balloons are floating by. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You did it! 6 is a great number. Look at these groups of yummy vegetables. Can you count them with me? Here are some radishes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 radishes. And here is a basket of carrots. Let's count the carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 delicious carrots. Wonderful counting. Did you know that bees use the number 6? They build honeycombs in shapes with 6 sides called hexagons. Let's count the sides of this hexagon together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's play a game. Can you find 6 flowers in this picture? Look closely. Did you find them? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow! Great job learning about the number 6 and counting to 6 with me today. I'll see you next time.
Wow, the number 6 really is special. Thanks for learning about the number 6 with me today. And remember, keep counting and having fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.